Sukhino Bhavantu, beautiful souls. Welcome to Divine Energy with Lakshmi. Does your mind feel full today? Too many thoughts, too many decisions, too many responsibilities. When our mind is cluttered, it is difficult to hear the wisdom within us. Today, let's gently clear the mental clutter, slow down our thoughts, and create space for clarity, peace, and joy. Starting with laugh. For any reason, if you cannot laugh loud, laugh loud. Laugh without sound, like. Take a sip of water. Let's do 3 random gratitude for. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Take deep breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold, relax. Take your left hand with right hand, gently tap one of these meridian point and repeat after me, releasing blocks in body, mind and soul. I take 100% responsibility even though my mind feels overwhelmed with too many thoughts. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. In spite of that, I love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility even though I have been carrying responsibilities, decisions, and mental clutter. I choose to slow down and breathe. In spite of that, I love myself exactly the way I am right now. Even I take 100% responsibility, even though my thoughts have been racing. I'm open to creating space for peace, clarity, and inner wisdom. In spite of that, I love myself exactly the way I am right now. My mind feels crowded. There are so many thoughts. I have been carrying too much mentally. My brain needs a break. I acknowledge how overwhelmed I feel. I don't have to solve everything right now. These kind of thoughts keep on repeating in my mind through past experiences from past life till now, knowingly, unknowingly, consciously or subconsciously, good or bad, positive or negative, emotionally or physically. The more I focus on these thoughts, the blocks appeared in body, mind, and soul. The results are happening in health, relationship, career, financially. What kind of blocks I am going through in these areas? Whatever happening in my life, situations, all are emotions which I felt in this body through the thoughts I keep on repeating. I keep on repeating, I'm overwhelmed. Too many cluttered things happening. There are not too many, only couple of things. I need to identify them and clear, aware of those emotions and change. Energy cannot be destroyed. It only can be converted from one form to another form. The moment I change through awareness, things started to appear in a different ways. I start seeing them clearly, and I release mental clutter with every breath. I welcome clarity and peace. Things started to happen effortlessly, and my mind is becoming calm. I breathe in clarity. I release unnecessary thoughts. I focus on what truly matters. My mind is clear and peaceful. I trust my inner wisdom. I make decisions with confidence and calm. I welcome peace, clarity, and purpose. The moment I change the statements, the emotions which I am giving, I am enough. I love myself. I don't have overwhelming thoughts. I have few thoughts. I don't have too many problems in my health. I need only one or two areas I need to work on. In relationships, I have wonderful relationship with myself. The moment I tell this, I don't have issues with too many people. The moment I say too many, mind overthinks, overwhelms. If I break down into chunks, I have only issues with one or two people and I can solve them effortlessly. I don't change them, but the way I look at them change. Same in career and financially. Money is energy. It converts from one form to another. It gives experience. Spending on experience, small experiences. It turns into abundance from lack. Releasing those blocks I created unknowingly from body, mind, and soul. Letting go all those created consciously and stored in subconscious mind. Subconscious mind does not know. It is pure. It stores what I repeat in my mind through thoughts. I'm letting go all those blocks right now. The moment I release those thoughts every single day, a new me appears. I'm sorry for filling my mind with unnecessary worry. Please forgive me for believing I had to figure everything out at once. Thank you for the wisdom that quietly guides me every day. I love you. I trust you. My mind deserves peace and my heart knows the way. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Hold. Relax. Sit in a comfortable position. It can be on chair, on floor. You can take support of your back as long as your back is straight. Next 15 minutes, be aware of your natural breath. Close your eyes. Relax your face. Relax your head. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders and hands. Relax your chest. Relax your waist. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. Relax each and every cell in this body. And aware of your natural breath. The more you are aware of your natural breath, the lesser and lesser the thoughts becomes. Observe the silence. Observe the sounds in between. Aware of your natural breath. If you want to be in this state, you can continue as long as you want. Those who want to come out of this state, slowly be aware of your surroundings, aware of your body. Rub your palms together. Place it on your eyes. Place it on your face. All over your body. Slowly open your eyes. In one word, how you felt. Type it in the chat box and take a notebook. Write it down. The more you write your emotion, the more it be in your mind, and a slight change happens. A peaceful mind does not mean you have no responsibilities. It means you have learned not to carry them all at the same time. One thought, one breath, one step, that is enough. May your mind be clear. May your heart be peaceful. May your decisions be guided by wisdom. May your day be filled with joy. Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you, everyone.